Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious eggplant soup with you guys. And these are the eggplant I'm going to be using for this soup. And these are the protein I'm using. I'm using beef, shaki, and a little bit of chicken. Just added diced onions, little bit of salt, put it together, cover and let it cook in its own juice for the first 5 minutes of the cooking. And these are the eggplant. Wash them, cut their head off, cut them into 2 each. And I'm going to be cooking this eggplant in the same pot with the meat. This is my grandma's recipe, just the way she cooked eggplant soup. Very delicious and easy to put together. Add water, cover and cook till the eggplants are soft. Eggplant does not take too long to cook. They cook very quickly. So they are cooked now, just bring them out. So to the meat, I just added stockfish. This stockfish, I already boiled it in the microwave for proper washing. Add crayfish. You have to be generous with crayfish. Palm oil, grounded chili, add water, just enough water to cook your soup. If you want your soup lighter, you can add more water. Add mackerel fish. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use dry fish as well. So cover and let it cook together 10 minutes. So now I match my eggplant in uro. Add palm oil to it. Just the way my grandma was cooking her own eggplant soup. So delicious. Now I added native maggi to my soup. No maggi, no Igbo maggi, just native maggi, no stock cube. Cook it together 2 minutes, then add my mashed eggplant. This soup is so delicious. When you eat it, you're just going to lick and lick and lick your fingers. So sweet. And you can enjoy this with any swallow. Cook it together 3 minutes. Soup is ready, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to share. Thank you. Give me thumbs up.